Grove, is that a backhoe?
No.
What kind of backhoe is it?
Backhoe.
What kind?
Blue backhoe.
A blue backhoe?
For kids to sit on.
For kids to sit on?
That's the big old.
Grove, do you like backhoes?
Do. What?
Grove, would you like to go back up and get some barbecue?
No. I want to play.
You do?
Yeah.
Do you like these blue backhoes here?
Yeah.
Grove, what's your favorite part about vacation?
The backhoes, two backhoes.
Two backhoes?
Two backhoes.
Do you like going on vacation? Grove?
Why are we going to stay in the condo?
Because we're on vacation.
Why?
Because it's fun. Are you having fun?
Get a scoop of it.
Those backhoes are hard work, aren't they?
For some of us.
Whoa. Good work.
Whoa. Oh.
Whoa.
Oh, wow, wow, wow. Jump it. Jump it.
Hey, Grove, can you say have a good vacation?